our channel, Small Life Philippines. Right now, we're here in Martin Mall. So many people right now.
Because bargain,
Yes,
bargain.
a bargain here.
Every Friday, yes, bargain.
No, every day.
Every day bargain?
Yes.
Ah. But before I've been in Market Mall, don't have bargain. But now you see so many people. It's a Metro supermarket. So many people. No, maybe Friday. Friday because, yes?
Oh yes, it's Friday. Every Friday to Sunday, always so many people here because it's family day.
Again family day?
Yes. Friday to Saturday.
In,
Like
in Philippines so many family day. Every weekend family day, yes?
family day.
Oh, so many people, yes, so many. I remember I walked here before, when in start COVID, don't have people. But now so many, yes?
So many right now.
Parking station. Car 20 peso. Moto 10 peso. Overnight is 500, not so expensive. Also sales, also bargain or not?
So it's sales only.
Huh?
Sales only.
It's only sales, yes? Sales. So many people. Why? But why, Shaira, why so many people here?
It's for BFA. It's for passport.
Waiting passport, yes?
Yes. They renew or they take some new passport right now.
Understand. Oh, Shaira here. If- What do you wanted?
It's siomai. Japanese siomai.
Xiaomai?
Yes. Japanese siomai. It's good.
Japanese Xiaomai. Very popular in Philippines, yes?
Yes.
Soon we go to eat to
Bring it.
Greenwich maybe, yes?
Two times already.
Huh?
Two times already.
You already ate 2 times? Oh, very good. Eat if you want. So traffic right now near Market Mall.
It's good weather right now.
Yes.
Maybe later evening, hard rain.
Yes,
So hot right now.
yes, daytime always good weather. And evening so big rain.
Always night, hard rain. Big rain.
It's good. Already rainy season right now, yes?
It's rainy season right now in Philippines. Until maybe October or December like that. So we go inside the market right now.
Yes, again. Parking all full parking. Not easy to park motor, but we use car today. Motor. We are going from Market Mall to Angeles. So heavy traffic right now. It's Friday now. 3:50. right now. No, of course, long time in the car seat.
Yeah, I'm getting bored because I don't like traffic.
Who like traffic? Also, I don't like.
That's why I drink coffee. I like coffee.
Oh, it's very good. Balibago. Maybe already 20 minutes. Like stand.
Always traffic.
Everywhere traffic
Oh,
Friday.
yes, every Friday until Sunday. Always traffic here.
Better walk. If we walk, maybe after 15 minutes we already in Angeles. This way is about 15 minutes from Market Mall to Walking Street. But we already 20 minutes. Wow. MacArthur Highway, also traffic. Shira won't sleep already. About maybe 1 hour or maybe 50 minutes we drive from Market Mall. So long time.
If you come back to Balibago, it's more traffic.
Yes. No, first we need to go to Angeles,
It's busy day right now.
and from Angeles we go into Balibago to Walking Street to walk in Walking Street.
It's long time because of traffic.
And maybe rain soon. Already little bit start rain. I think heavy rain soon. But not so many people now, yes? It's Angeles Market.
It's Angeles Market right now. So we're here right now in Angeles Market.
What name of market?
It's, they call
San
it
Nicolas.
Apple.
San
Yes,
Nicolas.
San Nicolas.
San Nicolas Market, yes?
Yes.
After 2 hours, this is road is closed, yes?
Yes, it's for night market.
And open night market, yes?
They open the night market not at 8.
What you bought?
Eggplant.
Ah. 5 lang.
5 pesos.
5 peso lang. Ah, okay.
Malang nga din, malang oh.
What you want buy?
Buy some pants.
Huh?
Pants.
Ah, pants. Oh, start train already. Start. Family day, Shaira. Family day?
No.
Not family day. Market only, yes. Oh, интересно.
3.
We already have one, yes. How much this one?
50.
50 and this?
Pesos. This one 50.
Ah,
Also na pineapple.
pineapple. How much fun pineapple?
50.
Ah, all 50 peso, yes?
50. And this one. Señorita.
And this how much?
50. All 50.
Ah, all 50. Okay, we walk first and come back and can buy.
Ano to, te?
Indonesian flower, American cactus.
No, you choose, yes.
Magka, 50 lahat, eh?
No, you can buy this one also and pineapple also, yes.
Palmera.
Oh, and this we buy. It's okay. Four pieces buy, 4. Not separate, different. You see, bamboo.
Lucky bamboo.
Yeah, you buy. We have? No, it's different already. We have another. You choose 4 pieces. No, also interesting. Okay. Oh, start rain. Prepare for rain. Wait, money. Not heavy for you, not heavy?
Not heavy. Just only raining.
Ah, rain is okay, it's not snow.
Dito, pinggan, mangkok. Baso.
Jumbo Genera. So many people. Child already tired. Don't have aircon here. Very hot. I know why so many people in Jumbo Genera Angeles. Because here cheapest price. For example, if SM store hypermarket 70 peso, here maybe 68, 67, 3 peso less, and people waiting long time for 3 peso only. No, they also so many. Вот. Already rain. This is parking in Jumbo Genera. But not easy to find space for park.
It's raining again.
About 1 hour we waiting in Jumbo Genera.
Almost 1 hour.
About
We wait so long time there. Only for waters and so long time because so many people right now they buy in Jumbo Genera because it's cheapest there.
cheapest maybe 5 peso cheap less price.
It's more or less.
More less price.
Yes, more or less price if you buy like 1 pack of.
That's why so many people, yes?
Also, what is this? You can buy cheap also food here. Fruits also. One kilo here, 20 pesos mango. But if
20?
you buy in outside, 90 pesos, 80 pesos for 1 kilo. Here I bought here some eggplant and ampalaya. It's vegetable here.
So we going to Balibago now.
How we go to Auckland Street like if raining now.
No, rain is not problem.
But we have umbrella.
No, I have 2 umbrella.
Okay, I'm just scared
2
of
umbrella.
it.
It's not problem. We cannot wait.
So many people right now. Even it's raining, it's okay for them. Hi guys, we're on the way to Balibago right now. So later we're gonna walk in Street, but it's raining right now. Big rain.
Not big, not so big rain.
It's for me, it's big rain already.
It's not big.
So we use the road
From Pampang Market.
Pang Market to Balibago.
Yes, Fields Avenue. Through Candy Apartment.
Candy.
Candy Hot. Candy, yes. Candy. Because it's a short way. MacArthur Highway, it's
More traffic right
yes, yes, heavy traffic. That's why we drive here.
now. More expensive for gas if always traffic and you're waiting so long time. It's before they closed this road because they
Bridge. Yes, with
Fix
bridge
the bridge
before. Yes,
here.
we fix with bridge.
Right now it's good already. It's better. I think to go to the back of Robinson.
Yes. Alabanians.
Our papaya gonna fall down already.
I know this road always not good.
It's Prime Asia Hotel. This big hotel over here. Next is the Candy
Yes, it's
Residence.
a Candy next.
Uh,
This is Candy. Candy.
Candy.
Yes.
and
This is Candy, yes.
have also El Bistra.
Oh, Traffic. I don't know. Maybe we park car here and walk.
It's raining, you know.
It's okay. Have a umbrella. Okay. This place we can park.
Maybe we can shortcut here. Have also shortcut like this.
No. It's easy to walk. Okay, I will park. Good.
Yes, it's big. Traffic.
Yes. Better we park here.
So we use umbrella only, right?
No, of course. He broke many cars. He walked and broke cars. This guy. Need to show to police this video. This guy broke many cars.